Today's template, we're going to be customizing our own cup of soup. Look at how cute these are. Now this template I have, it's really simple. It's pre-designed for you, so everything is in there. You'll just be editing the name. And if you want to add a picture, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get right on into today's tutorial. Also, the template link and suggested supplies will be linked in the description of this video. So let's go. Once you've purchased your template from my website, thecraftprintshop.com, you'll get a receipt and it'll have links. You're going to click on the link that tells you to come to the template, and this is where you will arrive. Now, this is one of those templates that's already pre-made and you have minimal work to do. So you're going to click on Use Template for New Design. And it'll bring you here in Canva, right? So first, before you do anything, you're going to go to the top and hit File. Then you're going to change it to the name of the file you want in your Canva account, right? So put your name, whatever it is. You might not even need to change it. But anyway, that's the first step. Now, literally all you have to do is come into the name and type in your name. That is it. And you have it. My name is long, so you just fit it in there. Change the name again. That's it. And you're done. Now, if you want to go in, you can move things around. You can change these words if you want to. Just double click. You want to change chicken. You want to put the name there. Double click and change that. Here, here. You can change these things here, right? Also, the little words right here. You want to put something like too hot to handle. I don't know, something cute. You're good to go. The label is just as is. You can't really change anything here. And that's it. You want to add a photo. We can try something like that. I'll just show you quickly. Go to Uploads, upload your image. As usual, I'm just going to use myself as the example. You're going to go to Background Remover. Now, Background Remover has the crown, so you need to have Canva Pro, which is about $12.99 a month or so, right? And you could just put yourself in there. Now, do you want to be in the front? Be in the front. If not, select the image, go to position up here, and move it backwards until you like where it is. But as you can see, you're going to be blocked. So come back forward. Or you could do something like bring it over here. Now this part right here, the white, we're cutting out, so we don't even care that it's there. So let's say we do this and then bring it backward on the soup bowl. So something like that. You're kind of blocking the chicken. But y'all get what I'm saying, right? And that's it. Should I print it with my picture? Do my custom ramen? Yeah, we'll print this one. Okay, then your next step would be you go to Share, Download. You're going to change it to a PDF print. You're going to select Flatten PDF. Then you're going to Download. Now that you have your download, you open it up. I'm going to go to File, Print. I'm using the Epson EcoTank 16600. Going to send it. Go to Media and Quality. To the rear feeder. Photo high gloss paper. And it's on best quality. And then I'm going to print that one. Okay, so I printed these on 2 different types of paper. No sticker. I don't recommend the sticker paper for this project because you want it to actually see the fold. You don't want it pressing against the labels, right? This is the party printable paper. See how light it is? This is the 37-pound one. And this is the cardstock, which is the 96-pound one. So this is a thicker one. So we're going to do those 2 and see how both of them look. Now, if you have the larger paper trimmer, you can use it. I have to get a larger paper trimmer. It's not this wide. Mine is about 9 inches. So I'm going to cut it by hand. I'm just going to cut down the middle first. And then you see how it's coming off? It doesn't matter because we're going to cut straight. Let me get a different scissors. Okay, so we have, this is the thicker paper, the one that's a little thinner. So both of them, you're going to fold right here. And then you're going to fold right here. So it looks like this. And then here, it's the same thing. See? Now these two are going to go on top of each other like this. I'm going to use a double-sided tape. You can also use a glue gun if you want. So you see? Then on the bottom, and the double-sided tape is good if you wanted to sell these. You put the double-sided tape, put it together like this, and then ship it. Your customer will just have to peel off the bottom and stick it onto the cup of soup. See? Just ship it like this. And all they would have to do is peel it off. Let's get our soup. Lay it on top. Flip it upside down. Peel and stick. And this is why I said I don't like the sticker, because you don't want it to be like sticky and wrinkly. Now this is thinner paper and it looks good. So we're gonna see how the thicker paper feels. Also too, if you wanted to, put one on the bottom and stick it to the top, but it's not really necessary because it holds just well. So let's do the thicker one. Now you see how that fold is a little creased, so maybe my idea of the thicker one wouldn't be as good. You would definitely need to be careful with the fold. So And there you have it. So I would say they actually look the same. The thickness didn't really matter too much. The difference is the thicker paper, you see that fold? It looks very creased. So I would say this because it looks smoother. The party printable paper, the thinner one. And I'm going to have all of these supplies linked depending on which one you want to choose. But the lighter one for the win. And this is 37 pound paper from Pretty Party and Crafty. And that's it. Look at how cute that is. Your custom cup of soup. Now, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and turn on the notification bell so you are alerted once I upload a new video. And if you're here in the month of March, I will be doing new templates that I'm selling on my website, thecraftprintshop.com, every day this month.